Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. You must all have been wondering why you haven't been seeing any vlogs from my vlog channel. Well, I lost so much in farming this time, but as resilient as you know we all are as Jamaicans, I'm not just gonna give up. I planted 3 packs of carrot seed and this land area, this space that you're looking at, and I got nothing out of it because it was drought. I got nothing out of it, and so what I did was to plant out the entire area. These red spots that you see in each spot, we plant sorrel. So I'm planting sorrel for November, December. And so this is all going to be sorrel soon. All right. Over here, guys, Scotty has been busy. So over here where I have my pumpkin is all in grass, in bushes. But the pumpkins are still there and they're healthy. We just need to get them weed out of the bush. It's a lot of pumpkin too. And I have some cassava here. I have some cassava that I'd plant here. They're looking good. And some yam over the other side. I'm gonna show you the yam. When it's cleaned out, it's in some bushes too. So when it's all clean out and you can see it looking healthy, I'll show you the yams. I also have some sweet potato at the bottom. It needs a little cleaning as well. But Shan ZenZen is still here and farming. I don't give up on the farm. And so whenever we get those sections cleaned out properly, I'll let you see it. Also, the string beans that I planted, some came and some just didn't come. So I still have string bean seeds that I'm gonna plant back as well. Right? So these are some cocoa and dashins. And we have a banana tree here that I planted. It's coming up now. And I still am contemplating on certain aspects of the farming. I mean, what I want to focus on exactly. Because I want to specialize in a crop that I know that, people know me for this particular crop. And so when somebody wants the crop to purchase, they know they can get it from Shan ZenZen. So I'm going to make up my mind as to what particular crop that is. And so I can, so I can specialize in that particular crop. I still have some chicken manure here, some fowl manure. When I'm ready, I'm gonna scatter it on the sorrels. So soon all of this will be sorrel. So guys, I know you remember my mulberry tree, and it's mulberry time again. And there's a lot of mulberries on the tree. These are really delicious. Very alkalinic. These are how the mulberry looks when they're ready to be eaten. These ones are just changing. This one in particular. This one is changing as well. And these are changing. But when they're fully ripe, they have this really purple color and they're very sweet. We have a lot of mulberry on the tree. I'm able to pick a handful of mulberries, and there's still a lot more left on the tree. These ones are really ripe, so I have to delicately pick them. Hey puppy! This is my puppy. Hey puppy! Hey girl! Hey girl! She's happy. This puppy is mixed with bloodhound. Hey, hey girl! Hey girl! She's happy. These mulberry are so good, so good. And they're nice, like when you're making your yogurt. I like to buy the Greek yogurt, natural Greek yogurt, and then sometimes I'll freeze them. Other times I just drop them in there with a little bit of honey, and it's good to go. It's very healthy, very nice. Some people call it wild berries, some people call it mulberries, and I think mountain berries. I know it has mulberry, and it tends to be very stainy. You can see the purple color on my hands, fingers. But it's a very good tree to have in your yard, but you have to know how to control it, because they can grow out of control. Right now, this one is out of control. So we have to prune it. Ants biting me. I have this cane tree that I have to show you. These canes we planted. Actually, hubby planted. It was one cane, and there is so many canes. These canes burst in ice, so this can be planted and get more cane. We're gonna plant it at the back and over on the farm. And I'm going to cut one of this cane and eat it. I think they've been ready a while now. I ate one off it and I can tell you it was really nice. But it's just one single cane we planted, and we can count almost 50 cane on this cane tree, on this one plant. There's another plant there. I think that's a mango tree coming up, and it's very tall. It grows so tall. And I want you guys' opinion on something. I need your guys' opinion on this tree. It is a lychee tree. It has been here about 4 years, 3.5 years ish, I think. Yeah, and it is spreading, and it keeps growing bigger and bigger and bigger, but it has not been producing any lychee fruit. So I don't know if anybody have any idea as to what I can do to this lychee tree so it can produce fruits when it's lychee season. Every season I look forward to seeing some fruits on it, and it just keeps springing new leaves. As you can see, it's springing new leaves now, and no fruit. I watched some YouTube videos which said I should cut off the new leaves. I did that a couple times, and it's still not producing any fruit, to encourage growth of the fruit and not the tree itself. So I did that. I gave it some nutrients, and it's still not bearing any lychee as yet. So if you have any ideas to what I can do for my lychee tree to start bearing lychees, comment in the comment section and let me know. And this is my lemon tree, and I found a little birdie nest. This is a little bird nest. Let me see if I can zoom up. I don't know if there are any eggs in there, but this is a little bird nest. Oh, there's a bird in there. It's the bird. Oh my God, it seems like the bird. I'm scared. I'm scaredy. Yeah, I'm coming. I think there are eggs in there, but I don't want to get juke up by the limbs of the lemon tree. There's this nest in here. So this is a cane from my cane tree. Now we're gonna peel it and try. I know it's going to be nice because I tried one before and it was so good. Okay guys, so this is the cane. My hubby cut up a piece of the cane for me. And I'm going to take a bite and tell you how it tastes. And it's not just because it's my cane I'm gonna say it's nice. If it's nice, it's nice. If it's not, I'll tell you if it's fresh or however it tastes. Okay. Okay. Because of he had to cut it up in small pieces. It's not fresh and it's not extra sweet, but it's nice. It's really nice. This last piece is even nicer. And I'm telling the truth, it's not because it's my cane. My pineapple has not been doing too well either. It seems like this part of the country is just too hot for the pine. It's hot, very, very, very hot. So I'm going to have to mulch them and see what happens to them. Oh, and I have a tree over here that I planted. It's a bird pepper tree. See the little bird pepper on it. You can see bird pepper there. I always wanted a bird pepper tree on the farm. And I'm going to be planting out some coconut trees as well. Because I have a couple banana trees, but I want some coconut trees on the farm. Like a real country farm. So I know a lot of people watching this are going to be jealous. This here, you're looking at some sweet Ginips. Don't mind the little brownish color you see on the outside. They're all good Ginips and they're so sweet. I haven't tasted Ginips this sweet in a long time. And I have some avocado. This is the good life, the country life. It's a blessing when you can get some fruits from next door or from your farm rather than having to go buy it in the market or supermarket. You get it, you just pick it off your tree, off your neighbor's tree, or off your family's tree, or off your own tree. So I'm gonna try one of these Ginips and let you see that nothing is wrong with it.